So our project's name is Notelify. It is a web application that helps you keep track of your university, school or college assignments. So my name is Saad. I am living in Pakistan and I go to University of Engineering and Technology where I am pursuing my bachelor's in computer sciences.
Hello, my name is Igor and I currently reside in Russia. I'm currently attending a third year at the ITMO University in Russia, St. Petersburg.
Hello everyone, I'm Anna. I am from Russia. I live in a city which is not far from Moscow. It's quite big actually. I'm 20 years old and I'm studying computer science at my local university. I'm in the third year. Of the idea of our project, actually I was the one who proposed that kind of idea. Actually, speaking of education, right now I do not study at my campus, I do study online due to the COVID situation, and I try to find some problem which I have myself and I want to solve it probably, because why not, I'm a programmer, right? And I decided that I do struggle with deadlines, with staying focused on my homework at universities. So our project can help you to solve that kind of problem, solve all of that kind of problems. Like you can keep track of your deadlines, you can keep track on some student books you have to read. So this is the solution I've tried to build.
Okay, so this is our project on which we worked upon. This is the whole UI. Like if you see here, we have, for starters, everyone will have 3 cards. These cards symbolizes each day. We have a card for yesterday, for today and for tomorrow. So let's say that I have a quiz that is going to happen tomorrow at, let's say, quiz algorithm. It's going to happen on, let's add some other time. Okay, so 12:45 a.m. and now I'm going to just click on add and my quiz will be automatically added here. All of the other data you are seeing here right now is just some predefined data that we added to show you folks that what this application will do. Other than that, like for instance, I have to add another day. Like after I have to set some reminders, I have to schedule my assignments for the day after tomorrow. I can just quickly click on this and it will automatically generate another day for me, and then I can just go ahead and I can write, okay, so I have this DBMS database assignment that I have to do, and I can just set deadline and I can just click on add and it will automatically be added here. Now for example, let's say quiz has been rescheduled. To remove this, I can just quickly click on this cross button and it will automatically be removed from our card, and I can add as many cards as I want. I can go back 1 card at a time, or I can go 3 cards at a time, or I can even again slide to 3 cards at a time. If I can, this will the slider will automatically shifts you from 1 card to another. And for example, if you have already 1 card ahead, it won't add another card. Like I have already some cards here, but now I don't have any card ahead of this 21st October card. And now if I click on it, my card is being automatically created, and I can add as many cards as I want. So yeah, this is the application we built. Also the application data is consistent, like we are storing data in the local storage, and when the user gets back to our application, once they have closed it, they will be able to see all of their previous data. So that is pretty much what our application is doing, and I hope that I and my team hope that you enjoyed it, or you liked this small effort we did.
During the project, My main contribution was to the layout. I did a lot of manuals, HTML and CSS coding initially, and after that, my teammate Saad introduced me to React, and I refactored a lot of code into React way of doing things. I have also worked with Bootstrap for the first week of the sprint. Since this was the first time for me working as with Bootstrap as well as with React, I didn't have a deep dive into both of those, but now at least I know what features they are used for and how they can be used on a basic level. I hope that along the sprint I was able to teach my teammates some pure JavaScript and CSS features that we're not that familiar with, such as doing the layout with CSS flexbox and grid elements.
So I worked on the front-end side of the project, like I worked on different features like adding nodes and creating new cards and date cards. Other than that, I helped my teammate to work with browser's local storage and to fetch our nodes when the user comes back to our application. And yeah, I also fixed a couple of bugs that came when we were implementing different features. And yeah, that was almost what I did in this project.
Like I said before, the idea was mine. I'm really into design, and I think that design in every project has to be like complete. So that's why I decided that we have to take it seriously. So I was the one who worked on the whole layout. So the whole layout you're able to see in our project was made by me. Also, I've been working on a local storage. Local storage helps you to store all your deadlines, all your references or links you've added to your project. So I guess that's it.